Every success story you've ever heard has one thing in common. Not luck, not talent, not even hard work. It's something invisible, something that decides whether you rise or stay stuck. It's willpower. And here's the shocking truth. Your brain doesn't want you to have it. Right now, your own mind is fighting against you. Today, I'll expose the hidden psychology of willpower. I'll show you how your brain tricks you into failure and how to reprogram it so success becomes your default state. Stay with me until the end, because if you miss even one step, your brain will keep controlling you and you'll never break free. What willpower really is. We think willpower is about gritting our teeth, forcing ourselves. But neuroscience shows it's not brute force. It's a muscle, limited, trainable, fragile. Think about it. A student forcing themselves to study through the night. An athlete training in the rain. A person saying no to sugar for just one day. Different situations. Same power. Stanford researchers proved this with a famous marshmallow experiment. Kids were given a choice. One marshmallow now, or two later. Years later, the kids who waited had higher grades, better health, even better jobs. So here's the uncomfortable question. Are you the one who takes the marshmallow now, or the one who waits? That choice reveals your future. The brain's tricks against you. Here's the truth. Your brain is wired to betray you. It craves dopamine hits, quick rewards. That's why you can scroll for hours, eat junk food, binge shows, but can't focus on what actually matters. It's not your fault, but it is your problem. Psychologists call this ego depletion. Willpower runs out. Every small decision drains it. That's why by evening you're weaker, more likely to give in. But here's the brutal reality. While you're training your fingers to scroll, someone else is training their brain to win. And when you finally wake up, they'll already be years ahead of you. The science of training willpower. The secret weapon of willpower sits right behind your forehead, your prefrontal cortex, the CEO of your brain. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. How do you train it? Meditation, exercise, quality sleep, tiny acts of control. Here's the trick. Don't start with big battles. Start small. 2 minutes of meditation, 1 push-up, reading 1 page. Each time you win a micro battle, you're rewiring your brain for self-control. Michael Phelps, the most decorated Olympian in history, didn't rely on motivation. He relied on conditioning. He trained 365 days a year, no breaks. His brain was programmed to perform, no matter what. That's the level you're aiming for, automatic willpower. Manipulating your environment. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Environment beats willpower every single time. If junk food is in your kitchen, you'll eat it. If your phone is by your bed, you'll scroll it. If your friends drag you down, you'll follow them. The smart move isn't to be stronger. The smart move is to remove temptation. Hide your phone in another room. Lay out your gym clothes before bed. Block the websites that steal your time. For the next 7 days, I dare you. Remove just 1 distraction from your life. Not 2, not 5, just 1. Do it, and you'll feel your strength rise in ways you never imagined. Turning willpower into identity. The ultimate hack isn't willpower. It's identity. Don't just try to quit smoking. Become a non-smoker. Don't just try to go to the gym. Become an athlete. Don't just try to study. Become a scholar. When your actions align with who you believe you are, you don't need willpower anymore. It becomes automatic. Muhammad Ali said it best. I hated every minute of training, but I said don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. That wasn't just willpower. That was identity. Right now, you're standing at the edge of 2 futures. One where your brain keeps winning, pulling you into distraction, weakness, regret. And another where you master your mind, reprogram your willpower, and unlock a life others only dream of. Which future do you choose? If you're ready to rewire your brain for success, subscribe right now, because the next video will push your limits even further. And you don't want to miss it. Train your brain. Win your life. For more videos, subscribe and like.